Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine.
And today we're going to talk about how to treat hyperpigmentation.
Let's start off with what is hyperpigmentation and how it forms.
Hyperpigmentation is excess melanin forms that actually occur in different parts of the skin, creating this darkness and uneven skin tone overall.
So some people are more prone to hyperpigmentation than others. If you have like an olive medium skin tone or a darker skin tone, you can be a little bit more prone to it. But in general, it does come a lot from external factors like UV exposure, pollution, environmental aggressors, and also trauma to the skin like cuts and scrapes, acne, scarring.
Hyperpigmentation also takes different forms. It's age spots, liver spots, melasma, acne scars, and it can actually form all of a sudden, overnight, or over time. It's really unpredictable.
And generally, hyperpigmentation is harmless, but if you want a brighter, more even skin tone, there's also ways and treatments and skincare routines you can do to help prevent and also treat.
So let's start with how to prevent hyperpigmentation. SPF. We swear by it. We've been talking about it for years now, and we can't live without an SPF every single day. Whether it's rainy or cloudy or sunny outside, you always need an SPF at the end of your morning skincare routine. And if you're using active ingredients that could make your skin extra vulnerable, like retinol or vitamin C, you do need that extra protection of sunscreen. So we recommend layering SPF every 2 or 3 hours throughout the day.
So we know that SPF is not always the most enjoyable thing to apply, so we find that choosing the right SPF goes a really long way in making sure that you actually do wear it in the morning and also reapply throughout the day. So we love textures like the Meg Prem Blue Ray Sun Gel. It's a really nice hydrating lotion texture, and once you apply it, it just sinks right in without a white cast. So really love this because not only does it feel great on the skin and kind of leaves
It's gone already.
Nice dewy sheen, which you kind of see too.
Yeah.
And when you reapply, we sometimes just apply directly on the face and just pat it right in on top of makeup, and we find that it just sinks right in without disturbing anything. So yeah, that's the tip.
So we just talked about how to prevent your skin from hyperpigmentation. How do we treat hyperpigmentation?
So one of the best ingredients to treat hyperpigmentation is actually vitamin C. Vitamin C is not only a really powerful antioxidant, but it works actively to treat discoloration and brighten and even the skin.
So hyperpigmentation can't be treated overnight, but it will work over time if you're diligent with your skincare routine. So by incorporating vitamin C or any type of brightening treatment in your skincare routine every single day, and especially when that's paired with SPF, you'll see the treatment and the protection working together over time. So some of our favorite vitamin C products include this Pineapple C Bright Serum, which we recently launched. And we love that it's so lightweight, it smells and feels like pineapple juice without the sticky or greasiness. And also, pineapple itself is really powerful when it comes to the antioxidant power. It helps to smooth and exfoliate naturally, but overall it gives that brightness.
Another treatment that we really love is the Sweet Chef Ginger and Vitamin C Serum Shot. This not only has vitamin C in it, but also combines that with ginger and turmeric extract for a kind of antioxidant-rich blend to treat and brighten the skin.
Another one is Liz K's First C Serum, which actually is 13% pure vitamin C. It is really potent, but because it is so not sticky and it smells really pleasant, actually, unlike other pure vitamin C concentrates, we love using this. This is actually one of the most popular vitamin C treatments in Korea. It sold, I think, over 10 million bottles in like 6 months.
And of course, if you're looking for a more intense treatment, you should always talk with your dermatologist about what options there are. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get your glow on!